Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I made this pour painting. So my recipe starts out with half Floetrol and half paint. I use a ratio of 1:1 and I add a little bit of water to make it a consistency of like warm honey. I use apple barrel paints and they're the cheapest stuff you can find at Walmart. I also use silicone oil. This is treadmill belt lubricant that I found on Amazon and it's pretty cheap. I added 1 to 2 drops to each color and I mixed it up just a little bit because I didn't want the cells to be too small. After that, I put 2 to 3 drops again on top of each color without mixing it up this time. And then I went ahead and just poured it into a bigger cup. I like to use the flip cup method because it brings out the most cells in my opinion, and before I started tilting it, I torched it just a little bit. I also torched it a little bit after I tilted it. I didn't do it too much because I didn't want to ruin the cells that were already there, and I didn't want to make the cells even smaller. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you're not already. I make more painting videos and stuff like this.